His debut came on July 12, 2025, against Italy at Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium, where he officially became a Springbok. But his real trial by fire was always going to be the biggest stage, New Zealand. After a brief appearance at the Fortress of Eden Park, Hooker was given his first test start for the return match in Wellington. Starting against the All Blacks in their own backyard is the ultimate test. The Springboks, after a loss the week before, delivered a masterclass and dismantled the All Blacks in a historic 43-10 victory, and the rookie looked right at home. Hooker was immense on the wing. His kick chase was relentless, his strength in the air was dominant, and his physical presence was exactly what the coaches wanted. A blistering run from deep inside his own half broke the All Blacks line and helped set up a crucial try, a moment of brilliance that showed how his confidence in the intense pressure of a must-win test match. Ethan Hooker didn't just cope, he thrived. The gamble had paid off big time. He had arrived.